Hi, and welcome back to That's So Nova. I am bringing you a different segment today. Instead of like what's in the box, I'm doing Nova's Notions, playing around with the name, but I'm really feeling that. And I am going to show unique notions that I've purchased personally without the football song going on. um, um, sorry, that was my husband. Football season. We're good. I want to show unique notions that I purchased personally, just to see how they use. You can use them if it will be beneficial in bag making, garment making, what have you. So recently I got two things for Sallie tomatoes. One, they had this 24 days advent calendar, which I will be showing starting on the 1st, which is around the corner. And I'm really excited about that because I've seen sewing notions or advent calendars before, but they look like the cheaper end notions that you could find at the Dollar Tree or whatever. And there's nothing wrong with that. But why pay $30 for something that I can get for $24? That's for a pretty box. So when Sallie Tomatoes came out with a notion count, like an advent calendar, I like ran to it and it sold out relatively quickly. And I'm really excited about it because I'm hoping that more people that sell hardware, people that sell things for bag making, start to come up with like creative gifts that we can give ourselves as sewers. With that being said, the second theme is I was following along on her Facebook group and her Facebook to see what they have for Black Friday and blah blah blah. And I seen this press. I did not get it on Black Friday. I got it like a week before, and I was intrigued. This press, let me read it. This is a pressing station that can help add structure and form to a tote bag, handbag, and purse. The curves have 4-inch by 13-inch boards, which are perfect for pressing seams on a straight edge, of course. And they have a 3-inch by 13-inch and a really narrow one that is 1.5 by 13 inches. And I have this thing called an arm that I use in my garments, and sometimes I pull it out for the back. It's massive, and you can stick your tote, your arm, your sleeve on it, and call it a day. I do use a ham a lot in bag making too, and it's one of my favorite things to use to really get those seams open when I'm using cotton. So I was curious about this. The box came really nicely. It came really fast too. Like I ordered it one day and it was like shipped and out for delivery within 2 days. I was really impressed. It came in a really nice box. It had all the tools that you needed in there. The instructions are bright and colorful, and Jessica gives tips throughout the whole thing after you put it together. It has two boards that has like a nice I want to say it's heavy. It's not plastic. I'm not too sure what this is, but if it's a heavier plastic that kind of click in. At first I was like, okay, it's an arm, but then it came with the second one that you install. You just screw it in. It has this narrow one, and I'm like, oh my god, this would be perfect to open up seams when you have a circular bag and you're like, you can put the bag in here and really press without squishing your bag. And I'm for one that thinks that ironing is like the number one tool to make your bag go from like, oh, that's cute, to oh my god, it's so professional. Having a nice crisp bag and inside and out can give it a real professional finish. And I really like the fact that she created this product that can help you achieve certain aspects of ironing. Like she has in here where she's ironing seams open, and you can use the sides to open up seams. Somebody mentioned in one of the groups it would be great to place your cutting mat on here, and if you're punching holes, you can do that too, because this is a really sturdy symbol. Like she has a fanny pack on here, like put on, and she's like going around the curve and pressing it, and I'm just like, holy moly, this is a total game changer. I'm trying to see this one. This is like a finger and it could fit in small areas that we normally wouldn't do. Um, the 4-inch board, she has a tip that the curve is perfectly to work on press curve bottom edges, and I'm just really excited to use these. The wood is really good. It comes together relatively fast. You get the boards, the tools, and all you have to do is screw in this, and they click in and out. And I was really kind of just surprised on how fast it came together. Um, if you go to her shop, you can sign up, and they usually give you some kind of discount code. And I used, I think, 20 or 30% off, and took additional off. And I really like this tool. Now, with this being said, when I get tools, I'm not encouraging you to purchase it, because everyone has different financial, how do you say it? Everyone can get different things at different times. I was privileged enough to get this and purchase it on my own. I'm going to use it in a bag in the month of December so we can test it out to see how well we can get inside the curves. Maybe a circular bag or a fanny pack. I haven't decided just yet. Or a pouch to get in, because when I make a cotton pouch, it takes forever and a day if I'm not using my arm to get in and press it, because when you press one side, you're compressing the other side and it gets wrinkled. So I'm really excited to see how these things work. So I will give you a review, and I will use it in not my next video, but in the month of December, I will use these. I'm kind of excited. I know it seems like they may take up space, but I have an idea for that too. If you have any questions about this, please leave a comment down below. I'm going to leave a link to Sallie Tomato, and try to get a link for this product. There's no affiliate link. I purchased this on my own. I will put everything that I got down below and have at it. It's a different designer. She has really unique patterns. I was really focusing on them yesterday, and there's a couple patterns that I definitely want to make. So again, questions, please comment down below. If you have an idea for a notion that you would like to be seen, or you're like, hey, but I really wanted to see this, but I don't trust it, put it down below, and it might be something that I review one day. I really appreciate you for stopping by. If you can subscribe, like, hit that notification bell, and comment, I would greatly appreciate it. Until the next video, I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.